we treat, when it comes down in our favor, pretty much the same as when it comes down against us. Because one, you can't do anything about it, and two, that's how you're trained, to deal with decisions like that professionally. So we were prepared for what it would mean if it came in our favor and what it would mean if it didn't come in our favor. So when it came down, it was just a matter of dealing with whatever is said by the judgment.
The Prime Minister has said we can't pay.
Well, the C.C.J. has said that there's nothing to pay at this point. They sent the matter back to the Supreme Court for the Supreme Court to determine the amount that we should pay. So that amount hasn't been determined yet. So even if we wanted to pay now, how much to pay? Even if we wanted to move now, well, we have to pay because we're bound by the judgment. That's the judgment, and we will have to pay. The question is when, and that when is determined by how much. How much determined by how long the Supreme Court will take to determine an amount. Then there could be an appeal of that, and then there could be an appeal of that back to the C.C.J. So if you think about it, going all the way back to the C.C.J. to determine an amount, it could very well be another year before you get an actual figure as to how much you should pay.
So then you take what the Prime Minister said to mean just at this point we can't pay?
At this point, even if we wanted to pay, we couldn't pay because there's nothing to pay.
Are you disappointed at the ruling given the lower court's ruling?
I'm disappointed at the ruling because of the law, not just necessarily because of the lower court's ruling. I believe the law is clear. I don't know how you can say that a contract is illegal, but at the same time there's a breach of it. How can you breach something that is illegal?